To create a list in Python, you are going to use this type of brackets, and to print, you are going to use my list. Control V, empty list. Now, if you want to add a value to my list in Python, you will use append, and you are going to use any data type list except different or mix of data type. Apple, Control V, you will see apple added. Now, if you wanted to add another value that carries a different data type, 3, then Control V, you will see 3 and apple added to your list. How about if you wanted to remove my list dot remove, and I'm going to remove by the value. I'm going to remove apple. Control V, you will see apple is removed. How about if I wanted to remove by index? You are going to use my list dot pop and index 0, then Control V,